What if I told you that you can walk past at least 10 life-saving tools every single day and have no idea? No tactical gadgets, no $1,000 bug-out gear, just simple household items that, in a crisis, can literally keep you alive. Stick around. Stick around, because number 7 will surprise even seasoned preppers. Welcome to Suburban Prepper, where preparedness meets practicality. I'm a combat medic, veteran, family nurse practitioner, and I've seen what happens when gear fails and when simple resources save lives. That's why I teach you how to think like a prepper, not just shop like one. If you believe in protecting your family and your future, subscribe now, because every week we make survival simple. By the end of this video, you'll know how 10 everyday items become survival gold. And when you finish, watch my video. Don't buy an IFAK until you see this Combat Medic Breakdown, where I show you trauma kits that actually work when seconds matter. Let's count down from 10 to 1. Number 10, duct tape, the universal fixer. In survival, duct tape becomes your mechanic, your medic, and engineer all in one. Torn tent, seal it. Blown out shoe sole, reinforce it. Broken strap, patch it. Need to stabilize a fracture? Stabilize it. It's waterproof, airtight, and sticks to nearly everything. I've used it to secure splints, make pressure dressings, help close wounds, and even create butterfly closures in a pinch. Twist it into cordage for lashing poles, layer it for insulation, or make it temporary waterproof boots or gloves. Never underestimate a single roll. That's why you need 2. It's the most adaptable tool ever made. Duct tape. Fact or myth? Duct tape melts easily. Myth. Fact. Quality duct tape handles heat, cold, and moisture and stays flexible even in freezing weather. Number 9. Heavy-duty aluminum foil. The reflective multi-tool. Heavy-duty foil, thicker and stronger than the kitchen kind, is cookware, signal device, and heater in one. Wrap food and cook it in coal. Shape a pot to boil water or fold a cup to purify what you drink. Place foil behind your fire to reflect heat back to your shelter. Line your boots or gloves to trap warmth. Flatten a sheet to flash. Wrap electronics in a plastic bag to shield them or to keep insects out. One roll feeds you, warms you, and gets you found. So maybe get 2. Fact or myth? Myth. Foil is too weak for field use. Fact. Heavy-duty foil handles open flame, folding, and boiling water without fail. Number 8, heavy-duty garbage bags. Shelter in a sleeve. Cold and wet kill faster than hunger. A contractor bag becomes a poncho, a bivvy, rain catcher, and insulated sleeping shell. Use it as a ground barrier under your sleeping bag and pack cover in storms, or tie one between trees for bright bags can even signal aircraft. Tie one over leafy branches and condensation will collect inside. Fresh water by morning. Cheap, compact, and life-saving. Fact or myth? Myth. Garbage bags rip underweight. Fact. Contractor garbage bags withstand over 50 pounds of stress and stay waterproof. Number 7, pantyhose, the unexpected survival tool. Pantyhose are tactical gold. Use them to filter murky water before boiling, straining debris, or wear them under clothes for warmth. They prevent blisters as sock liners, work as fishing nets, hanging sacks, even makeshift cordage. They can even stabilize dressing or tourniquet wrap. All that strength for a few dollars. Fact or myth? Myth, too fragile to be useful. Fact, nylon fibers hold 30 to 40 pounds before breaking. Personal note, when we used to go on forced road marches, we would wear pantyhose to help prevent blisters. Number 6, hand sanitizer, fire and first aid. It's hygiene and ignition in one bottle. Sanitize your hands, tools, or small wounds when the clean water's gone. That same alcohol ignites fast. Squeeze a bit on tender and you've got flame even in the rain. Combined with lint or cotton for a reliable fire starter. It keeps you healthy and warm. Fact or myth? Myth, it burns too quickly. Fact, a high alcohol sanitizer burns clean for up to 30 seconds. Enough to light damp fuel. Number 5, dental floss. The microcord. Unwaxed floss is small but mighty. Use it as a fishing line, if needed sewing thread, snare wire, or repair string. Weave it into rope, tie down shelter, or even build a tripwire alarm. It's sterile and light, perfect for stitching gear or as a last resort, totally last resort, suturing. The tiniest tool with the biggest tech. Fact or myth? Myth. Floss breaks too easily. Fact. Unwaxed floss handles 5 to 10 pounds of tension and beats regular thread for repairs. Number 4, chapstick. Tiny tube, big fire. It protects lips, seals cuts, and burns like fuel. Smear it on cotton or lint for flame. Push in a wick to make a candle, or use the tube to store matches. Rub a thin coat on metal tools to stop rust. Small, cheap, and incredibly versatile. Fact or myth? Myth. Lip balm can't burn. Fact. Petroleum-based balm burns up for 10 minutes. Enough to dry kindling or boil small water. Number 3. Household bleach. Liquid purification. Clean water is life. Use unscented bleach only. 8 drops per gallon if clear. 16 if cloudy. Stir and wait 30 minutes. It kills bacteria and viruses. A 1 to 10 dilution disinfects surfaces, utensils, and tools. It keeps sickness away when sanitation collapses. Myth. Bleach expires instantly. Fact. Stored cool and dark, it stays effective for up to 12 months. Number 2. Dryer lint. Free fire fuel. Every load of laundry gives you a free tinder. Dryer lint catches a spark instantly. Pack it with wax or petroleum jelly for waterproof fire pucks that burn for minutes. 1 handful can mean warmth, cooked food, or signal smoke. Myth, too fragile to use. Fact, it winds fine. Fact, its fine fibers ignite faster than paper. Perfect emergency tinder. And number 1, paper clips and safety pins. The tiny tools of ingenuity. Use a safety pin to remove splinters, fix clothes, or secure bandages. Straighten a paper clip into a fishing hook, reset button tool, or small pick lock. Magnetize one. It can float on a leaf, and you've made a compass. Simple metal, infinite potential. Myth or fact? It's too small to matter. Fact, they're strong, dependable, bendable, and reusable. True miniature multi-tools. The next time you walk through your kitchen or garage, don't see just clutter, see possibility. Every ordinary object hides potential. When you start thinking like a prepper, your home becomes your toolkit, and knowledge becomes your greatest weapon. Preparedness isn't about fear. It's about confidence and control. The real prepper doesn't need fancy gear. They need creativity. So what about you? What's the most underrated survival tool sitting in your house right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. Hit like, subscribe, and when this ends, watch Don't Buy an IFAC Until You See This. Combat Medic Breakdown. Me, of course. Where I expose the truth about what's inside those medical kits and what I recommend. This is survival. This is resilience. This is Suburban Prepper.